Hello and welcome to Better Geology. I'm Andrew Dunning, and I'm at the top of Larch Mountain, one of the many volcanoes that dominates the skyline around Portland, Oregon. Larch Mountain is a 4,500-foot tall shield volcano just outside of Portland, Oregon. A shield volcano erupts a fluid type of lava. Generally, this is basalt or andesite, and it's so fluid that instead of piling up to create a tall volcano like the ones we can see from here, it creates a low, broad, rounded shape characteristic of the shield volcano. You see these at places where basaltic lava is most common, like the island of Hawaii and its shield volcanoes Kilauea and Mauna Loa. We have other shield volcanoes in Oregon, chiefly the largest volcano in Oregon, Newberry, out in the center of the state. From the top of Larch Mountain, we can see 5 stratovolcanoes, which are the tallest, pointiest volcanoes. Mount Jefferson, Mount Hood, the highest in Oregon, Mount St. Helens, Mount Adams in Washington, and Mount Rainier, the highest point of Washington and the Cascade Range. Larch Mountain itself was active between about 1 and 1.5 million years ago. This puts it active in the Pleistocene epoch. The Pleistocene epoch is also known for its glaciation. Larch Mountain is said to have a crater at the summit. This is probably owing to the fact that it's a volcano, but in fact, this horseshoe-shaped scoop out of the west side of the volcano is not the crater at all. It was carved by glaciers in the Pleistocene epoch. The highest point of the mountain and the center where I'm standing, called Sherrod Point, is actually in the middle of this horseshoe. While the horseshoe around it was carved out by glaciers, this middle point is the actual eruptive vent of the volcano, and that makes it filled with a harder, more dense lava. That makes it resistant to the glacial action, and is why it stands as a promontory inside the volcano. Although it sits in the Cascade Range, a mountain range made up mostly of volcanoes, it is not one of the Cascade volcanoes. Larch Mountain is geochemically distinct from the other major volcanoes in the area, which means it had a different, unique magma source that is not related to the rest of the Cascade Range. It's part of what's called the Boring Volcanic Field, named after the town in Oregon, not because it is particularly uninteresting. The Boring Volcanic Field comprises of over 80 different volcanic vents. These range in age from about 2.5 million years old to only 55,000 years old. Of the Boring Volcanic Field's 80-some volcanic vents, about 13 of these are actually inside the city limits of Portland, Oregon, which makes Portland one of the very few cities in the world with volcanoes inside its city limits. The summit area of Larch Mountain is only about a 1-hour drive from downtown Portland. There's also about a 20-minute paved walk you can take that goes up to Sherrod Point, the highest point of the mountain. From here you can take in the volcanic landscape that composes southern Washington and northern Oregon, and really understand and appreciate the power and landscape-shaping forces that volcanoes have in the Pacific Northwest. This has been Better Geology. I'm Andrew Dunning. Thank you for watching.